Welcome. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send a one-time voice message on WhatsApp web from your PC. This new feature is a great way to send private voice messages that can only be listened to once before they disappear. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp web on your PC by going to web.whatsapp.com. Once you're logged in and your chats are open, navigate to the chat where you want to send the voice message. Next, look for the recording icon at the bottom of the chat window, right next to the text input field. It looks like a small microphone. Click on this icon to start recording your message. Now, message. You can record as long as you like, just like you would on the mobile app. Once you're done recording, you'll see a preview of your voice message. Before you hit send, you'll want to activate the one-time view feature. To do this, look for the icon with the number 1 on it, which represents the one-time listen option. Click on this icon to enable it. This step is crucial because once you send the message with this feature activated, your recipient will only be able to listen to the voice message one time. After they've listened, it will automatically disappear from the chat, adding an extra layer of privacy to your communication. Once you've clicked the one-time view icon, go ahead and click Send. Your voice message will now be sent, and the recipient will have only one chance to listen to it before it disappears. And that's it. You've successfully sent a one-time voice message on WhatsApp web from your PC. It's a fantastic feature if you want to send something private and ensure the message won't be saved or replayed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on WhatsApp and other apps. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.